Just like our speed and agility training, we treat every movement in the weight room as a skill. That means we don't rely on one tool, one technique, or one perfect way to perform a rep. This approach stands in contrast to the traditional model, built almost entirely around a barbell and a single pressing technique. Pressing is a staple in most programs, but it's often executed the exact same way. In our training environment, we flip that idea on its head. Here's a look at how we use different tools to create adaptable, robust pressing solutions. The goal isn't just to press more weight. It's to build athletes who can produce force, coordinate, and solve movement problems in a variety of contexts. A resilient athlete needs a resilient skill set. Our physical preparation process reflects that.